guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to the old setup. I really miss my office, but I also feel very grateful that I have home where I can shoot and I can do my work. Also, I'm really grateful that we all are healthy and safe. I hope if you're watching this, आप सब safe हैं अपने घर पे, and in case you're going through the COVID situation, I just hope and I pray that you and your family just recover real soon. We can do this together. Mask पहनो and please घर से तभी निकलो जब ज़रूरत है. The other day I asked I did this Q&A on my Instagram where I asked you guys कि मुझसे ना कुछ crazy या silly से questions पूछो. I'm gonna answer them on my YouTube channel, so I'm super excited. I know it's a very long intro, but यही होता है. I just talk a lot. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so as you all know, I always tell you please अपनी skin थोड़ी prep कर लो before doing your makeup, and I love using this product. I have spoken about it so many times, and this is my second bottle of it. So yes, it's the Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. Love this one. I like how super light it is. अगर आप makeup के पहले लगाओ ना तो बिल्कुल भी greasy या oily नहीं लगता है. Also, this got vitamin E, and I was going through some acne because whenever I get very anxious तो मुझे काफ़ी acne आ जाते हैं. तो मैं यही लगाई थी और मुझे मेकअप के पहले ये लगाना बहुत पसंद है because it doesn't give you like a very greasy वाला feeling, but on the other side it is so moisturizing. So even if you have like very dry skin, you can use this product. Okay guys, तो मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं सारे products का जो link है आपको description box में दे दूँगी. Definitely check that out because इस video में I'll be answering questions, so I don't know if I'll be able to talk about other products so much. So yes, I'm just going to massage it and putting my hair back. So I'm just gonna massage it. Don't forget your neck and massage it really well. You guys can see no greasy, no oily feeling at all. My skin just feels very smooth. Okay, so let's start with our questions now. So the first question, actually, whether I talk about hair care, whether I tell people to ask me about skin care, about my life, or literally anything, एक question जो हमेशा आता है और बहुत सारे लोग पूछते हैं, that is, when are you getting married? Are your parents okay with you not getting married? या आप जिंदगी भर सिंगल ही रहने वाले हैं, आपने सोच लिया आपको कोई नहीं चाहिए? Are you waiting for somebody? And stuff like that. So to be honest guys, I am right now not ready for marriage. So if somebody tells me कि आपका क्या आप क्या सोचते हैं शादी के बारे में and all that, तो I'll be like, I don't know, I'm scared, I'm not ready. And I personally feel कि कोई कितना भी बोल ले, like of course people around you will be like, oh my god, you're aging and blah blah, so why don't you get married? I personally feel, and also my parents feel, that you should not get married till you are ready for it. So never get married. And even if you're going through this, because I remember somebody talking to me about this on my Instagram, she was like, oh my god, this thing is happening with my sister and everybody is telling her to get married. And I was like, I'm blessed that I have such amazing parents, so they always tell me do it only if you're ready. So yeah, I feel I am not ready right now, so maybe later. I should never say never, right? ऐसे होता है ना, never say never. So maybe later in life, but right now not happening. I am very happy where I am, so I'm not looking for anybody also right now. So I'm just enjoying this phase of my life, and yeah. Okay, now next question. मैंने ना सब notebook पे लिख लिए थे, so let me just read. Now the next question is, have your parents ever caught you eating or talking to your friends late night? Multiple times, like multiple times. I remember कि even during the COVID, I would speak to my friends late night तक, around like 3-4 बजे तक, and sometimes my parents would just get up and they'd be like, what's happening? तुम लोग इतनी लेट तक क्यों बात कर रहे हो? या फिर हम कभी रात को of course सब खाते रात को मैगी खाते वगैरह हम दिख गए तो इतनी लेट मैगी क्यों खा रहे हो and blah blah. But then उस टाइम पे they'll just scold you, they'll be like, आधे घंटे में या 15 मिनट में, you just sleep, I'll come and see. So yeah, पकड़ा है, बट ऐसा कुछ बहुत जोर से नहीं डांटा है. बट हाँ, हमेशा डर लगता है कि नेक्स्ट डे वो लोग क्या बोलेंगे. Have your parents caught you and kabhi you have got into like a serious trouble? Because I've never gotten into a very serious trouble while, whenever they have caught me or something like that. So generally they are like, sleep on time, nothing else. Next question. I am just finishing my base. You just saw I just took foundation. And these days I, अगर आप मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस देखोगे, मैं सिर्फ ब्रश से मेकअप करती थी. लेकिन these days I really enjoy using beauty blender, and I use this the drugstore company because it's really nice. एकदम soft हो जाता है, like it's not hard at all. So ना ऐसे मेकअप करना बहुत easy हो जाता है, मेकअप बहुत अच्छे से बैठ भी जाता है. So yes. Now the next question. What are your thoughts on living relationships? Live-in relationships. Okay. I personally feel that when you are dating somebody, you don't know literally anything about them, because आप थोड़े टाइम के लिए मिलते हो and everybody just shows your best behavior. या पे कभी लड़ाई होगी तो आपने किसी को सॉरी बोल दिया. But then when you stay with a person for this whole day, then you get to know very differently. मतलब उस इंसान को ना आप एक अलग लेवल पे जानते हो और वो चीज़ बहुत डिफरेंट होती है. So if I get a chance, or if somebody ever tells me about this कि मैं ये ट्राई कर सकती हूँ, और my parents would ever agree or something like that, I think I would like to try it. मतलब I don't think there's anything bad in trying, but I really don't think parents, like Indian parents, would ever be okay with that. So I don't see that happening, but if I get a chance, I would love to, because I think you get to know a very different person, you get to know the real person when you stay with that person. So yeah. What about you? Like, would you like to, what do you think? Like, if I get a chance, but even if I don't, I'm okay with it. Like right now तो मुझे करनी नहीं है शादी, so I'm okay with anything. So yes, nice question guys. I'm so happy कि silly questions में भी ना थोड़े से deep questions आप लोगों ने पूछे हैं. So next question is, have you ever lied to somebody that you are on a picnic but you are actually not? Multiple times. I have said this multiple times guys to my friends, especially when I used to shoot. जब मैं बेबू कर रही थी and I was in school, so I don't know, I never liked this idea कि मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताऊँ कि मैं शूट पे जाती हूँ. तो मैं अपने बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स को ना नहीं बताती थी कि मैं शूट पे जा रही हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता था if I tell them that I'm an actor, then they won't be my real friends, they'll be my friends क्योंकि मैं actor होंगी and blah blah. So I used to tell them, no, I'm going on a holiday. So I used to tell them कि मैं holiday पे हूँ, but I never used to, because I wanted real friends. Yeah, so I have told them a lot of times कि मैं holiday पे हूँ, पर मैं actually holiday पे नहीं थी. मैं I was shooting. So I was actually not on holiday, I was shooting. So yes, मैंने ये किया. Okay. Now the next question. एक तो मेरी dating life के बारे में people wants to know so much. Oh my god. Okay, so have you ever dated? This was a question. Yes, I have dated. A lot of people wanted to know about this. So yes, मैंने किया है date. I'm also enjoying this phase right now. So guys, मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा shimmer डाल दिया है और मुझे ना एकदम ऐसा हल्का सा एकदम nice nude glossy मेकअप करने का मन कर रहा है आज. तो मैं वो करूँगी और मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊँगी, मैं घर बैठूँगी ये मेकअप करके. So yes. Oh my god, ये तो बहुत ही सीरियस सा क्वेश्चन है. Have you ever eaten your face or hair mask? Guys, ऐसा कौन करता है? Like, who does that? कौन करता है? Please let me know. पर अगर ऐसे सोचा जाए तो सपोज अगर मैं अपना फेस वॉश कर रही हूँ और फेस मास्क मुंह में चला गया तो वो इसमें काउंट होगा कि नहीं? That's what I'm wondering. मतलब मैंने ऐसे इंटेंशनली ऐसे स्पून से नहीं खाया है, बट ऐसे कभी कभी ऐसे मुंह धोते हुए या हेयर वॉश करते हुए अगर चला गया है और वो इसमें काउंट होता है तो मैंने टेस्ट किया है, देन आई हैव टेस्टेड। आप बताना आपने किया है क्या? वैसे कौन ही करता होगा इंटेंशनली, स्पून तो कोई भी नहीं खाता होगा। सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हैव यू एवर बंक्ड योर क्लास? टू बी ऑनेस्ट कभी ऐसे इंटेंशनली तो मैंने नहीं बंक किया है, पर मुझे ना बहुत बार क्लास से निकाला गया बिकॉज आई वॉज इज वेरी, व्हाट डू यू से, आई वॉज अ वेरी शैतान बच्चा क्लास का। मतलब मैं शांत रहती थी बट मैं शांति मैंने ऐसे शैतानियाँ करती थी। सो आई यूज टू बी माई टीचर्स फेवरेट, बट एक बार है ना हम लोग को, मेरी गलती भी नहीं थी और हम लोग को ऐसे ना क्लास से बाहर निकाल दिया गया था क्योंकि माई टीचर थॉट कि मैं वो कर रही हूँ, बल्कि वो मैं कर नहीं रही थी। मेंबर हम लोग का कुछ ना वो था, नॉट बंक्ड माई क्लास, बट तुम्हें पता है ना वो होता है ऐसे तुम्हारा कुछ डांस प्रैक्टिस रहता है या स्कूल में ऐसे एनुअल डे रहता है, तो उस टाइम पे ना मुझे पता था कि मैं शूट कर रही होंगी तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, तो मैं अपनी टीचर्स को झूठ बोलती थी कि मेरे हाथ में लगी है या मेरे पैर में चोट लगी है, और फिर मैं अपने आई यूज्ड टू डू टाइम पास इन माई क्लासरूम विद माई फ्रेंड्स। तो जस्ट बिकॉज आई न्यू कि मैं नहीं होंगी उस टाइम पे बिकॉज आई बी शूटिंग, तो मैं उस चीज़ का पार्ट नहीं हो पाऊंगी, इसीलिए मैं ऐसे करती थी। बट अदरवाइज ऐसे कोई मतलब कोई पीरियड या उसके क्लास मिस करके मैंने कभी भी बंक नहीं किया है, तो मैं थी एक बहुत ही अच्छी बच्ची। Yes, you guys can see I have used this blusher which already got a little bit of highlighter, और मैं स्टेप्स ऊपर नीचे कर रही हूँ, लाइक मैंने मस्कारा और आईब्रोज में बाद में कर रही हूँ। सो आई विल डू इट नाउ, and now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and while doing that I'm gonna answer a question. How to make your crush fall for you when he's already committed? Guys, I know कि you know you like this guy, like whoever asked me this question, I am sure you like your guy, or you know, but then I personally feel that you should not be doing that. Like a person should naturally come to you and not like he, you know, you'd have to do something to attract them, because वो बहुत छोटे टाइम के लिए होगा फिर। So I would never recommend. I would just say that be friends with that person and see if he likes you, but you don't have to force something कि यार वो committed है तो ऐसा थोड़ा ना किसी का breakup करा के you'll be like oh my god love me. You should never do that because वो बहुत थोड़े टाइम के लिए आपके साथ में रहेगा, वो हमेशा तो नहीं रहेगा. So it doesn't make sense at all to me. ऐसा मत करो यार. I just quickly do my mascara because mascara करते हुए मैं बात नहीं कर पाऊँगी. So let me just quickly do my mascara. And guys, I'm coming up with a lot of vlogs, so please वो भी देखना. अभी तो बहुत सारा content जो है वो घर से आने वाला है, and you'll see a lot of Ellie also. I really like this. It feels like I'm talking to a friend. That friend is asking me a question and I'm just answering. ऐसी वाली feeling आ रही है, so it feels very very nice. Now the next question. Will you ever cut your hair short like Pixie or Bob? I really wish कि मैं अपने बाल है ना इतने छोटे काट दूँ. But I don't know if that will ever happen. I don't know if my mom will let me do that. But अभी मैं अपनी मॉम को बोल रही थी कि मैं इतने तो अपने बाल काटूंगी अभी, बट जब भी मैं बोलती थी मैं बाल छोटे करूंगी, my friends, everybody is like no. But मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है that I wanna just lose little bit of my face fat and then go for this nice short haircut, because I see a lot of people going through it, like getting it done, and यार मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. This मैं कहाँ थी? Yeah. So I really like when people actually get their hair short, और मुझे बहुत टाइम से चाहिए. पर आप लोग को लगता है that it will look really good on me? Like just let me know. I'm just gonna add some gloss. So do you really think I should get it done? Do you really think? Let me know. I would love to try, but मुझे बाद में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मुझे रोना आने लग जाएगी यार मैंने क्यों करा लिए. So now the last question, which is what people would hear if they would read your mind. if you are sitting there, और अगर आप मेरा mind पढ़ सकते हैं इस वक्त, तो if I talk about this particular time, because I'm a Gemini, मेरे दिमाग में बहुत कुछ चलते रहते all the time. But at this particular moment, I'll be like, did I do the right makeup? ये क्या ये वीडियो लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा? Did I give right answer? Should I say that? ये बोलना चाहिए था कि नहीं? ये सब is going on in my mind right now. So in general, I am just thinking about work, like what should I do next? What should I do next? Or what should I cook next? Half the time, so I'm like, आज रात को डिनर में क्या बनाएंगे? आज रात को क्या बनाएंगे? So yes, that keeps going into my mind, and of course about my work. And in general, I'm in a very happy space. I don't worry about things too much, but I like to try new things and stuff like that. So yes, I'm always thinking something, to do something new, to create something, whether it's about cooking or it's about the content, or it's like, oh my god, safai kar do, you know, stuff like that keeps going on. But you will never, if you can read my mind, you will never read things about other people, like what other people are doing, like why I don't get that. Most of all doesn't come to my mind at all, to be honest. So yes, here is my final look, and I really like my makeup. It looks so nice. मैं इसका closer version में आपको दिखा देती हूँ. Yes, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you can do this for, like, if you're going for a friend's wedding, Zoom wedding, and we really hope, I just hope that we get out of all this very soon. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, ये बोल दिया है ना? Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you like this video, and you have to like this video. So please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, because I keep checking you guys don't subscribe to my channel, you just watch and go. Please subscribe bhi kar do yaar, it's very important for me. So yes, I will see you very soon. Bye bye.